Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for school administration. Let's get started with step 1, setting up your account. It's as simple as going to the UPBASE website, clicking on Create Account, and filling in your school's details. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your school's digital presence on UPBASE. Now that we've done that, it's time for step 2, adding staff and students to your account. You can do this manually by going to the Users tab and clicking on Add User, or you can bulk upload a .csv file with everyone's data. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone in your school has access to the platform and can communicate effectively with each other. Next up, step 3, setting up classes and schedules. Go to the Classes tab and click on Add Class. Fill in the details, including the class name, timing, and the teacher in charge. This helps us because it enables teachers, students, and parents to keep track of schedules and assignments. Let me explain why this matters. UPBASE is designed to streamline the administration process, making it easier for everyone involved. By setting up classes and schedules, you're creating a unified system that can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Moving on to step 4, using the communication features. UPBASE has a built-in messaging system that allows for real-time communication between staff, students, and parents. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you use this feature. You're creating an open line of communication, ensuring that everyone stays informed and connected. Finally, we've reached the last step, monitoring and evaluating progress. UPBASE allows you to set goals, track performance, and generate reports. This is important as it gives you a clear understanding of how your school is performing and where improvements can be made. And that's it. You now know how to use UPBASE for school administration. It's a powerful tool that can greatly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your school's operations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.